Early summer, somewhere around May or June 2024, we're about 10 days into our 15-day journey through Italy, riding the entire coast from east to west, from the top to the bottom and back up again. Right now, we're re-entering the legendary Positano Amalfi Coast crown jewel. I'm riding my 2023 GS, and my buddies on the Yamaha Tracer 900 GT. Our wives joined us halfway through the trip. We picked them up at Bologna Airport on day 5. And since then, it's been a full-on Italian adventure. San Remo, Genoa, Cinque Terre, Tuscany, Rome, Naples, and now Positano. Let me tell you, Positano is beautiful, but its chaos, tight roads, tons of people, and parking basically a myth. We had to squeeze the bikes wherever we could find, even a little spot. Hotels here are pricey, like really pricey, but the views, absolutely worth it. Every corner looks like a postcard. We stayed just a bit outside town in a quiet Airbnb with a cliffside view, cheaper, calmer, and still close enough to ride in. This ride through the town is short, but it says a lot. Scooters everywhere, delivery vans trying to pass tourists walking in the road like it's a sidewalk. But somehow it all just works Italian chaos with style. I filmed this with my Insta360 X3, and honestly, it's one of my favorite captures from the whole trip. This road, these colors, the cliffs dropping into the sea, riding through Positano, is like riding through a dream. We still had Capri ahead of us, then down to Palermo, and eventually a full loop back to Bari through Matera. But for now, just enjoy this little slice of Positano magic. If you enjoyed this ride through Positano and want to see more moments from our full 15-day motorcycle trip across Italy from the cliffs of Cinque Terre to the streets of Rome, the island of Capri, all the way down to Sicily, make sure to stick around. It really helps me out if you like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know what you think, ask questions, or even tell me about your own road trip experiences. And of course, subscribe if you want to come along for the next ride. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next adventure.